Yung
Yung ngiti,
kilig, 'di
yung
ba? Do'n
kilig.
nagsimula yun, yung kinikilig. Nagsimula yun sa titig, eh.
Ayan, oh,
Ta's
yes.
kinilig. Yan yun, 'di ba?
Yan, going back sometimes before I sleep, I still sinisilip ko pa rin yung mga clips niyan, kalye-serye na nakakatuwa na
Phenomenal kasi yun.
blessing yan, Miss Tony.
Ta's nung time na yun, hindi pa uso ang YouTube.
Yes, wala
Lahat
pa.
naka-cable pa nun
Cable,
at
free
saka
TV.
free TV. Alam mo
Yan.
kung ano nangyari sa inyo? Real life drama
Yes, totoong buhay
na
na
teleserye
walang script.
on national TV na sinusundan ng tao. Kayo yung phenomenal love team na out of nowhere
Grabe.
minahal ng mga
Grateful
tao.
po kami ng sobra.
Pag binabalikan mo yun, 'di ba, ang ganda na nangyari, it was so successful, but at the same time, may mga advantage and
Of
disadvantage
course.
din yun.
Yes.
Ang sa PBB naalala ko nun, ang concern dati ng mga galing sa PBB because they were voted by the public has this feeling, especially the fans, that you owe everything to us dahil kami ang nagpapanalo sa'yo.
I have to
I
agree.
have a feeling na ganun din ang nangyari sa
Yes.
inyo. Because yung feeling ng buong Pilipinas, kayo yung inintay, kayo yung inabangan, kayo yung minahal naming love team.
Exactly.
Parang in real life, gusto nila kayo din
Yes.
ang magkatuluyan
I think meron
sa
talagang
buhay.
one way or another, well, right now with social media, ang dali eh. Ang dali ng cancel culture, ang dali magbato ng hate
Masasakit,
comments and yeah, hurtful words. And you know, sometimes I've been seeing a lot of celebrities that addresses the issue about bashing. But napagod na lang din ako siguro.
Dati ina-address mo.
I mean, on interviews po, yes, in interviews and but I don't post about it. Hindi ko sila sinasagot. Wala akong sinagot na bashing. If meron man in my 13 years, mabibilang sa kamay.
Hindi mo maiwasan na yung mga sinasabi nila papasok sa ulo mo eh.
Exactly.
Tapos makokontrol ka na. Pati yung pag-iisip mo, naku baka
Tapos, ang masakit pa doon, Miss Tony, that happens unconsciously, hindi mo namamalayan. If you're not present, I mean, if hindi mo siya nakikita in a bigger picture.
yung pag-iisip mo para na sa kanila.
Exactly.
Nawawala na yung totoong
Wala ka ng
decision mo.
identity.
Yes, ang decision mo na matutuwa ba sila dito?
Gusto ba ng tao to? Popost ko tong picture na to. Ano kayang gusto ng tao? Yung parang
Hindi na yung gusto mo.
hindi na siya eh. I have to admit it. I'm a pleaser. Sobra, by all means. Sa work, how I handle my people. Kaya minsan pag may mga events or public gatherings, minsan yung sincerity and authenticity ko naki-question na parang ang plastiko daw.
Na-burnout ka ba?
Yes.
Kailan dumating yung burnout?
First time in my career during 2016 to 2017 nang medyo tumi 2018. In 3 months straight, tumutuhog po ako ng commercials. Yes, you're grateful, pero I'm sure to everyone who's watching us and also you, Miss Tony, I'm sure you have that feeling sometimes na, is this the price I have to pay? Papatayin ko ba yung sarili
May
ko?
price. Lahat
Yes.
may price you have to pay.
Exactly. So parang,
Success is always rented and the due is every day. You pay for it every single day.
ganda na na.
Hinihiram lang daw ang success.
Totoo po yan. Ako, I have to believe.
Diba?
I
Hindi,
have
hindi
to
yan
believe
sa
that.
atin permanently.
Yes, yes.
There are peaks and valleys in our industry.
It seems like everyone can be a celebrity.
Sa panahon ngayon.
Sa panahon
Sa
ngayon.
dami ng available
Platforms. Post ka lang ng ganito, mag-viral, ginugusto ng tao, nag-post ka ulit ng same content, tas nagustuhan, then it follows and it follows. I have to give that to Mr. Toviera. Sabi ni Mr. T, parang ang labanan sa industriya natin ay hindi paramihan, kundi patagalan.
Yan ang pinakamahirap. Madaling sumikat, mahirap ma-maintain.
Ma-maintain. Actually, yan ang I have to validate that statement kasi that happened to me.
Kailan nangyari yun?
Well, during the Aldab era, syempre after Philippine Arena and all the endorsements, the fame, the screaming fans, and of course, it's not gonna be always like that. I already knew. Darating at darating yung point na hindi na ako magiging ganun ka-relevant and hindi na kami magiging ganun ka-relevant ni Ming.
Alam mo, ang pinakaano sa Pilipinas, ang dream ng mga fans and at the same time, it breaks their hearts kapag hindi nagkakatuluyan
Yes.
yung love team na
Yes.
they were rooting for.
Exactly, totoo
Nakita
po yan.
natin yan sa Jadine, tapos ngayon yung latest, 'di ba?
Yes.
Tapos kayo, ang
Ah,
Aldab, bakit hindi naging sila?
um,
Magpapakamatay na kami sa kilig dito.
yeah.
In real life, bakit hindi?
Ang hirap kasi
Di ba yan ang tanong nila?
yes.
Bakit hindi naging kayo? Ngayon pa married na si May. Ano
Yun
bang
nga eh, parang,
nangyari?
quite honestly, Maine and I had a conversation, like a heart-to-heart conversation. Recently lang, before she
Got married?
got married. And then I told her everything. And at the end of the day, it's your differences that will determine whether you will make it or not.
Mm-mm.
And your priorities in life. Going back to what Mr. Tuviera said, hindi pasikatan, pahabaan. So, and hindi paramihan ng trabaho, kundi hanggang kailan ka nandyan.
Dati, akala ko it's the quantity. Padamihan ng show, padamihan ng
Yan.
ginagawa. Now, it's about the quality of what you're doing.
Yes. Totoo po yan.
Di ba? Dadating ka sa point na mamimili ka na ng quality ng trabaho na gagawin mo.
Totoo yan.
Doon.
Diyan ako na burnout ng sobra, na yes ng yes sa lahat.
Tapos yung puro ka no sa sarili
Puro ka na
mo.
no, na
ano.
I neglected myself. I
Kaya
had that
magkakaroon ng resentment. Minsan.
sobra. And then there are times na this never came out. I had a burnout episode during one of my shoots, tapings. Sometimes, people tend to abuse kindness.
Ano bang sign mo?
Capricorn.
Ay, pare tayo. Capricorn ako.
Ayan.
Ano ka ba? January?
2.
January 2 ka? Oh my gosh, January 20 ako. Oh, ang
Nadagdagan
cute
lang ng 0.
naman.
Capricorn.
Capricorn ka lang.
So, parang tayo, mapagbigay. Ang matiisin ang Capricorn hanggang kaya mong tiisin. Pero pag sumabog na,
So how do you deal with rumors?
um,
Sa 13 years mo, ang dami mo nang na-encounter.
yes, during Aldab,
Ang daming crazy rumors sa inyo.
sobrang dami crazy
At
rumors.
saka yung iba naniniwalang totoo yung rumors, ha?
Exactly.
Alam mo yung number 1, may anak kayo.
At kasal po kami.
At kasal kayo. Grabe yun! Ang tagal nag-linger noon. In-address nyo ba yun na may anak kayo? May narrative talaga.
Meron silang sarili nilang storytelling.
Nagulat ka nung lumabas yun?
Yes, and all along, akala ko by the time na, of course, Maine and Arjo became public.
Oo.
And then they got married eventually.
Kala mo mawala na yun.
Yes,
Hindi nawala?
andyan pa rin po. I already said my piece about this. It's not true. Wala pong katotohanan lahat. Wala po kaming anak. We never got married. We don't have
Love child.
a love child. But right now po, I'm at that a point na masaya po sila dun eh. Tatanggalin ko pa ba? Irarab ko pa ba sa mga buhay nila na wala nga, huwag kayong makulit. I'm not that kind of person. I always support happiness of people.